Hello everyone! Today I'm in Natick, Massachusetts, just west of Boston, the city of Boston, a beautiful area of Natick called Walnut Hill. I'm here to show you this beautiful Victorian home with the beautiful period details. Come on inside across this gorgeous new porch and I will show you around. In this home, you are surrounded by classic period details, but you will see it is clean and fresh and updated throughout. I'm Sandra Siciliano with Dwell 360 Real Estate. This home has 8 rooms plus a 3-season porch right here off the kitchen. I'm standing in one of my favorite rooms in the house because of the beautiful woodwork, the beam effect on the ceiling, and the walkout bay window. Here we are in this large eat-in kitchen with gas cooking. To my left through that door is a large pantry as well as the washer dryer. And out here, I love this space. You have this beautiful 3-season porch with jalousied windows and hardwood floors as well as a ceiling fan. In addition to the formal living room, we have this lovely family room on the first floor. Let's go upstairs. This room begins the primary suite, currently being used as a home office, but could be repurposed as a primary bath and closet space. I love this bedroom with the built-ins and another walkout bay area letting in so much natural light. This property sits on just a shade under a half an acre of land. This massive backyard goes all the way back to that fence. We have a chicken coop, a grape arbor that actually produces grapes, fire pit, and so much space. Did I mention there is a garage? This home has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and for an antique home, many of the important updates have already been done by the current owners. I'm Sandy Siciliano with Dwell 360 Real Estate. Please let me know when you'd like to take your own personal tour of this property.